Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here today on the daily time frame. Now, this is Bitcoin over here on the linear scale, and what we see over here is an ABC correction in the form of a flat pattern going all the way back to 2021. We had a three-wave move down for your A, a three-wave move up for your B, sweeping your A wave high, and then coming down in a five-wave move. So our correction completed and our bear market ended just in the end of 2022, and then we started our impulsive move to the upside, which is still lasting. We're still within, so currently we're within sub-wave 5 of 5. And you can see over here, this was your five-wave move up for your wave 1, right? And then you had 150 days of Wyckoff reaccumulation for your wave 2, and then you have a explosive wave 3 to the upside, followed by a 7-month-long correction in the form of a WXY, and then we go up for your last leg, which is, see, this is the wave 5. This is the last leg in the macro structure. Now, within that wave 5, it looks like we're currently within wave 5 of 5, and we've completed wave 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're within subwave 5. We're within subwave 5 of 5 of 5. Okay. Now going all the way back here to December, we have a 3 down in your A, 3 up in your B, and then a 5-wave move to the downside within your C wave, a classic flat pattern. And then from April 7th, that's when we started our impulsive move to the upside in the form, and we adhered to this ascending channel, right? And usually whenever you form these ascending channels, that does mean that we're within risk on territory. Okay, so although you may not see your alts going up right now, just know that money will flow into those altcoins soon, just when Bitcoin cools off, right? So Bitcoin is still going up. We need to see it cool off before we start to see big capital rotations into the altcoin space. But just know that considering we've been going up here within an ascending channel, it means that we're risk on. Okay. So going all the way back here to April 7th, we had a 5-wave move to the upside in the form of a leading diagonal. Then we had a wave 2. You come up for now this is a wave 2, right? And then this is your whole wave 3. So you have your subwave 1, subwave 2, subwave 3, subwave 4, and subwave 5 of 3 right here. And then we consolidated for 7 days for this subwave 4 right here. This was your subwave 4 consolidation. And then we went up in a 5-wave move, and the prices were overlapping. So this could have been an ending diagonal or a leading diagonal, right? So this could have been a wave 5, right? Or this could be a B wave, meaning this is your A, this is your B, and then we come down for a C wave towards the 38.2% fib, maybe even the 50% fib, and form a right shoulder within a larger inverted head and shoulders pattern. That's the bearish scenario, right? This is your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and then that's the bearish scenario if we can't get a close on the 4-hour time frame above 110,839. I think we will. My bias is that we're going to continue to see a push to the upside in an impulsive formation. But if we can't get above 110,839, and if we end up losing 104,218 to 105,045 right over here. So these two levels, this level and this level, if we can't get above this, and then if we go below this, then that means that this is likely a B wave or a wave 5, and then we would come down for a C wave to form your right shoulder. And don't look at that from a negative light. Just know that we would just be forming a bigger base for higher prices, which would translate to higher prices on your alts. But going forward, I just want to see a move above these two levels, get above it. Then it looks like we're currently within subwave 3 of 5 to the upside. Subwave 3 of 5 is likely to take you north of 120,000. This may be your top right here, or you may come down for a wave 4 and then go up for a wave 5 to around 130,000. So this is Bitcoin here today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We have 2 current resistances ahead, like I showed you right here. And if we take a look at this on the hourly, we can see here that we have a wick at 109,820 to 110,798. So it looks like we're filling that wick in right now. And then once we get a close above the 786, then we're off to the races for the next leg, right? And you may even overthrow this ascending diagonal, or sorry, this ascending channel right here. Right? Because the ascending channel top is right around here at 122,000. So you may overthrow it a little, come back, consolidate, and then go in for your wave 5, which would be your true overthrow of the channel. And then that would be and then capital would likely rotate heavily into altcoins. We're already seeing some capital rotation into altcoins. We're starting to see the engines revving. However, we're not full-blown into the alt season yet, but we're going to get that very, very soon. So I'll keep you guys updated with Bitcoin, and if you really enjoyed the content, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord, where you guys get access to over 350 assets, updates every day, and the ability to connect with me one-on-one. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace out. Take it easy. See you in the next one.